Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. Okay, so this reading is a little different from my other reads because first of all this is a bonus reading for you, and the second thing is that over here I'll be looking towards your energies. Okay, so first thing which I'll be looking is your energies, what energies you are manifesting, what you want, what kind of things you attract, that kind of energy. And the second thing which I'll be looking towards will be the people or the situations with whom you are dealing with, those energies, how are they coming towards you. And the third will be the outcome of the overall situation, so how you both will be, you know will be together, and how will you take the action. So what will come, what will be the outcome, the result. All right, so let's see. Let's start with your reading now. This is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get notified about my latest videos. All right. Okay. And before, when I was pre-shuffling the world, and yeah, the world also came up. So I really feel that there is a new beginning which you have entered into. So that is why the cards in your energy is Ace of Rods, Seven of Cups, and the Tower. So I am seeing over here, so those energies which you are manifesting is, you have a lot of things. You want love, you want money, you want recognition, you want everything basically, and that is what is going on in your mind again and again. So that is why you also want to start something new, which I feel that because you have that thing in you, you have planning. So, and that planning is so much that it might be destroying you yourself with the Tower and with the Seven of Cups. I really feel that you are here to start something new, but your mind is working so much that what to do, where to go, which cup to select. So that is why I feel that there is that self-sabotaging, that where you are destroying yourself over here by thinking so much. Okay, so do not think so much. Let's see what the energies are around you. So the Magician, King of Cups, and Two of Pentacles. Yeah, there is an energy where this energy is giving you questions and questions, that okay, what if this, what if this. So many things, because you are so much talented, because you have not just one thing in your mind. You have, okay, I have to do work for this, I have to do parenting as well, I have to go for a spa as well, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to take my home course, and I have a YouTube channel as well, I have my Instagram profile, Instagram work. So you have a lot of things, and that is why you are just the situations are also like, now what to do, they are making you confused. Okay, so the outcome, the energies are Five of Swords, Queen of Rods, and the Emperor. Over here I feel that you are coming up, you are coming towards like the queen who just loves whatever she loves, she just do it. Okay, so that kind of energy it is coming, but there are some kind of restrictions in your life. I feel the people around you might be the family members, they are not letting you do, they are just okay, so if you want to do this, no, I will not let you do. So you have that boundaries right now, but you want to just leave those boundaries, and you want to travel, you want to do the things which you want to do, okay, which you love to do. Let's clarify. Mm, Seven of Cups in your energies. Judgment, Knight of Swords, and the Devil. Okay, so might be some kind of a habit which you are not letting go. So it's again blocking your mind again and again. But the judgment is here. The judgment day is here. The God is calling. The God is watching everything. Okay, so just be precise what you are wishing for. Okay, if you are wishing for something bad, it will come towards you. If you are wishing for good, it will come towards you. So just think for what you are manifesting. Whatever you will manifest, that thing will happen. If you are manifesting good things will happen. If you are manifesting bad things will happen. This is just the law of nature, law of attraction. Whatever you are attracting towards you, it will come. If you are attracting the devil, the bad things in your life to just surround you over, all the drugs and all these bad things basically, so it will come towards you and they will just destroy you. All right, so that is what is. But the angels are looking towards you. They are here, see, they are looking at you. So just think, because they are listening. Okay, so do not wish for anything which will destroy you. Okay, let's clarify King of Cups in the people situation you are dealing with. The High Priestess, Four of Swords, and Four of Pentacles. I see that you are becoming more emotional as well. Okay, you are holding on to something, might be the past, because you are not letting some things go. You are just thinking and not letting some things go from your life. And might be your wishes, might be your bucket list, your wish list is so huge that you are surrounding your mind with lots and lots of thoughts. That is why they are coming in your dreams as well. And you are becoming, I see that you are like so much emotional. You have fallen and you don't even know what to do now. So that is why I really feel that this thing, which is the situations, are not letting you sleep. They are making you poke again and again, that think about the past only, be in the past. Might be you are the things which you are dealing with are surrounding you. Please ignore that, the dogs are barking. All right. So I really feel that there is something which is which is not letting you sleep, and you are just so confused, but you have a gut feeling for something. You have something that something is not right. You know that thing. So I think you should listen to that, because the High Priestess itself says she has a very strong gut feeling, and if it's coming towards you, so listen to that. You should listen. That is a hint for it. Let's clarify Five of Swords in the outcome. The Fool, Two of Cups, and Six of Wands. The new beginning. See, I told you I saw the World card in the pre-shuffling, and the Fool is over here now. That means the thing which you are dealing with is coming to an end. If you are holding on to some situation, it is also coming to an end, and there is a new start. But the people around you, because you are getting love over here, you are getting recognition over here, you are getting success over here, but the people around you, I don't feel them, I don't sense them so good. So just be aware from some people who just show that they care for you, and but actually they're not. They have a mask on their face. But I see that you have started that new journey in your coming future. With all those bad things, you are ready to accept what is coming towards you. I feel that because you have the first card, Ace of Rods, because you have a plan in your mind. Whatever the situations are, you are dealing with many things, but still there is a plan in your mind. You have something in your sleeve, and you will be actually manifesting. You want that thing, and it is happening in your coming future. Let's clarify the Emperor. Eight of Swords, 10 of Swords, and Death. Yes, you might be, because of there's some kind of a person who is very dominating in your life, so that might be a reason that you will start fearing. I see that you are fearing because of someone, because there is some person who is very strict, very stern, and who has his ways of living the life. So, and that person is actually caging you, and he's telling you, no, you cannot go there, you cannot go there. But this thing, the thing which you are feeling, that you are all tied together, this is something which is not actually so. This is just an illusion. This is something which is a hallucination, and you are so determined to end those bad energies. That, see, with the 10 of Swords and the Death card, bad things, they are coming to an end. You are going to end. If this person is dominating you this much, you are becoming the Queen of Rods. This person is telling you what to do, and you were feeling like, okay, I'm out of my mind, I don't know. If you are telling me, okay, so where should I go, that kind of fear is there in your. But you are ready to end this energy. You are ready for the transformation in your life. And what you are coming towards as, the Queen of Rods. Wow, this is such a beautiful energy which you are going to explore in your recent future. Okay, so let's see what the universe has more, the messages from the universe. Let's see what you should do, what you should not do. Four of Rods, Page of Swords, and Four of Pentacles. So the universe wants you that if you are coming towards, like, you are just not letting some things go, because Four of Pentacles have come twice in your reading. So if you are not able to let go of some things, the universe is here, and the universe is telling you, you have many reasons to be happy as well. If you are not letting your past go, look around you. There might be some people, there might be some things which can make you happy, and be aware of the gossiping for some time. Okay, be just a little, maintain some social distancing from those people who are the gossipers, who are the talkers, and they just talk and they don't do anything. So that is what the universe is telling you, that just might be for some people it's an indication that for some time hold on towards your online activities as well. If you are because for some people I see that there is some kind of celebration, and the universe wants you so that hold on to some of your social activities. Stop posting a lot of photos and videos, whatever you post on a daily basis, for some time, because there's a lot to celebrate, physically. So just be a little maintain a social distancing from the social network. All right, so I really hope you liked my reading. That's all from my side, my Pisces, and if you really liked it, please give a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.